Welcome to All in One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to add Marsban panel subscription link into Google Apps script. You can find this GitHub repository link in the description. After adding subscription link, it will look like this. So let's start our video. Go to Google Apps script web page. Click on New Project. Remove this code. Now go back to GitHub repository and click on code.js file. Click on copy button. Now paste copied code into here. Click on deploy button. Click on new deployment. Click on select type. Click on web app. Select anyone else who has access. Now click on deploy button. Click on authorize access button. Choose your Google account. Click on advanced. Click on go to untitled project. Click on continue button. Now close this window. Now copy web app URL. Now let's set up URL as here. At this part. Now put your subscription link. Now let's check this link. You can see it is working.